Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the system voice on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Adjusting the system voice will change the voice that the car talks to you in. Follow the steps to learn how to easily change the system voice on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then tap the arrow on the right to get to the second settings page. Choose System Voice from the options. Here you can change the initial voice prompt and the short voice prompt. If you tap Female or Male to the right of Voice Preference, you can switch between a male and female voice. You can use the slider to the right of Speech Rate to change how fast the system voice will speak. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.